So the idea of having meeting at this time is really consider that China team can join later on. 9 a.m. is my 9 a.m. And what's your time, Sven?
It's 3 p.m. So it's a good time, yeah.
So Lauren, you're like an
Same
hour,
here, 3
an hour.
p.m. too. So
Oh, you're same time zone? Okay, cool.
yeah, it's
I
same.
thought you were an hour behind.
Same.
Same though. So it will be 9 p.m. for China, so they can join later on. I think they're pretty busy on their DeFi projects. Yao and Yuan, they put 2 all-nighters already, so I wouldn't be so cool to ask them to join the big meeting this time. So Romania, what's the time zone for them? Should be lunchtime, right? I think so.
I think it is. It should be around 4 p.m. now.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. They're ahead. Okay. Okay, they're ahead. Sure. So yeah, I think this is a good time. So let's schedule meeting at around this time, twice weekly. That'll be great.
Yeah.
I've got not many things to bring up. Maybe I can update you about what DNA is doing, and we're basically creating a decentralized swap, like a Uniswap. I'll say more like a sushi swap. I think I showed you a demo last time, did I? Yeah,
Yeah.
okay, I did. So basically, what Yao was doing is to get a code auditing. If we pass the code auditing, we can go live anytime. So the front end is done, the back end is done. So it will be a ERC20 for now, but later we will connect to the DNA chain, pending the Chrome plugin wallet. So as soon as we have the Chrome plugin wallet, we can move to DNA chain. But I think ETP, if we have the same infrastructure, we can plug into ETP chain too. Jorge, you think Adrian team will be able to do the Chrome plugin wallet?
Hey, Eric. So this is the Chrome plugin for the DNA wallet?
No, for the ETP wallet.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, they've built several wallets before. I don't see any problem on their ability to produce a wallet for us.
Yeah. So the other thing Yao was doing was the Chrome plugin for DNA wallet, and also he wanted another team, third party, to upgrade our my ETP wallet, Lite wallet. So you will have some help.
Okay, that's
perfect.
good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, Yao and Ewan are good help. They're good focused guys. I've met them at the beginning and they've never showed me different, Eric. I like working with them.
Yeah, I like to invite them for the next meeting. I mean, next week's. This week they got to, and also next week if we can have Andrea from Romania, will be even better. So we can have a bigger team meeting.
I did mention to them, Eric, that we were scheduling this for Tuesdays and Thursdays at this time, and he said he can make sure that for this next Tuesday meeting, everybody will be on board and they'll be up to speed with some of the things we've discussed. It'll be a good conversation, actually.
Sounds good. Sounds good. So look forward to the next Tuesday one. Yeah, that's all my update. If you guys have any updates, go ahead.
Yeah, I think for this Chrome extension, we can try to just use the Lite wallet code. I think that would be the fastest way, because I think it is compatible. We tried it before, and there's some things that have to be changed, but I think the code base can be the same. So I would like to give it a try. And then if it doesn't work, then maybe we can ask the team to for help. I think it is more important for Jorge that that you can help us with C++ code base, because we also have a lot of it's currently basically unmaintained, and we have also some pull requests in the pipeline that need to be reviewed. So I would suggest that we set up a new test net.
Okay.
And maybe it will break it, but then we can just start over again.
Okay, I think we got 4 nodes running right now, ETP nodes on those servers, Contabo servers. But we can take a look at the pull requests and throw some of that stuff up and see if there's value to it, Sven. No problem.
Yes. Yeah. Because it has some good additions to the MIT functionalities. So for example, for MSTs, we have the domain certificates, so that you can like basically have the right to issue MSTs for a certain prefix, so that if like all the MSTs with a certain prefix, you know, you can be sure that only you can create them.
Like
and this pull request, there's one pull request that also applies a similar mechanism to MITs to the non-fungible tokens, which I think is very important, because if somebody really wants to create non-fungible tokens on Metaverse, then it's important to have a prefix, so that,
for instance, if you do CryptoKitty, you do CryptoKitty dot something, you know it's the official CryptoKitty, and not everyone, like currently anyone can create CryptoKitty dot something. You can't have a certificate to reserve the name to you. So with this change, you can. So I also think it's very useful for projects to show that they created the MIT and it's usable in the game. Or yeah.
Also, there are 2 more pull requests about MITs. One is to allow transfers between MIT and ETP, so that we can have swaps between MIT and ETP, and also another pull request that allows the same thing for MSTs. So I think it is a useful pull request.
Okay, I'll have to get on and look at them, Sven. I'm not up to speed.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Yeah, okay.
So that's it?
Yeah, for me, I think yesterday we've added a lot of new changes to the Light Wallet, and I think we will publish this. It's a completely new Light Wallet, so it's a completely new code base, and I think we can publish it maybe in the next 2 weeks.
Yeah,
So it's already live
1 week ago, and we didn't have any issue from users or from us. We just do little change now, but yeah, it's working good.
Okay, sure. So sorry, I didn't read my email, I guess. So what was the major change? I saw a lot of the update email, but I just kind of ignored it. So
yeah, we had to use the framework we used was Ionic, but we started it. What was it, like maybe 2017, and so it used some features that are not supported by iOS in the future.
I see.
And so we had to use the latest version, and then we decided, you know, instead of doing a migration, we just decided to do it again, because we also learned a lot on the way. And so the last, like, I would say 3 months, we developed this new version.
Right. Okay. So I think you have proper documentation on this, right? So the reason why I ask is I told you that Yao is uh, finding help on the Light Wallet. So
Mhm.
what Yao trying to do is really integrate the DNA token into the Light Wallet, and also meanwhile we will put BTC, BCH, ETH, ADA, and what else? One more. Tron onto the Light Wallet in that order, right? Last time we
Okay.
test, yeah.
Yeah, that's good. We had a conversation. I said to him that if he has somebody who can do it, I can also help.
Yeah, it's
So
a joint effort. It's not exclusive. Not ask them to do the whole thing, but it just add manpower to this.
yeah, sure. I have a version where I tested it a little bit. So I was able to send and receive DNA tokens,
Mhm.
but it was a little bit difficult to create accounts, for example, without having access to the faucet, because they were changing a lot of things because
Right.
there's so much development currently.
Yeah. So my thinking, or say my requirement is pretty simple. Remember your 24 words, and you can have ETP, DNA, and BTC and ETH, and all kinds of private key into one wallet. You can easily manage all your assets. That'll be great. And
Mhm.
if that can be also migrate onto a Chrome plugin, I don't know if it's possible or not, also easy or not. That will be even more powerful than MetaMask, I think.
Yeah, we can try it,
Yeah.
but we definitely need more manpower.
Yeah. Well,
Mhm.
we do have manpower. Okay.
Yeah,
So I guess that's it. I'm actually looking forward for the next Tuesday's meeting, so we'll have more people to join in, and we can have more, more topic. Well, I guess this is the second meeting, but next time we should have more organized agenda and meeting notes like that. But that's it. Thank you, everyone, for calling in.
yeah.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Thank you,
Bye
Eric.
bye.
Thanks, Eric. Thanks, Laurent.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks.